Kids Brown.
Magic Show. Welcome to my magic show. Put your hand in. How does it feel?
It feels soft.
What is it?
Is it a sweater?
I'm a lamb. It's my leg. It feels soft.
How does it feel?
It feels hard.
What is it?
Is it wood?
I'm a turtle. It's my back. It feels hard.
How does it feel?
It feels slippery.
What is it?
Is it soap?
I'm a dolphin. It's my mouth. It feels slippery.
How does it feel?
It feels rough.
What is it?
Is it a rock?
I'm an alligator. It's my tail. It feels rough. How does it feel?
It feels sharp.
What is it?
Ouch! Is it a needle?
I'm a hedgehog. It's my hair. It feels sharp.
How does it feel?
Ouch! It hurts me.
What's the matter?
It bites my finger.